For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
World Health Organization stated that the agency believes that an unexplained pneumonia outbreak is likely due to COVID-19. Dr. Michael Ryan, Executive Director of Health Emergencies Program of WHO, said that they have been tracking COVID-19 cases across Europe and Central Asia, including Kazakhstan.
There are a number of explanations that can explain the reported rise in the number of pneumonias in Kazakhstan, and we're working with the authorities there to investigate.
Dr. Michael Ryan also pointed out that more than 10,000 laboratories confirmed COVID-19 cases in last week.
We're looking at the actual testing and the quality of the testing to make sure that there haven't been false negative tests for some of those other pneumonias that have provisionally tested negative, and that is likely to be a major cause of this. That in many ways
The WHO director mentioned that the pneumonia cases were likely to be COVID-19 and they have not been diagnosed. WHO is working with local authorities to review X-rays and study the pattern of pneumonia cases to check whether they were consistent with COVID-19.
These cases are in fact undiagnosed cases of COVID-19. But as I said, we keep an open mind until we have an absolute confirmation of the diagnosis of these clusters.
The WHO director also pointed out that there has been a huge spike in COVID-19 cases in the country, with over 10,000 confirmed cases in the last 7 days. On the 16th of July, Chinese embassy in Kazakhstan issued a warning to the Central Asian country. The Chinese agency stated that pneumonia has killed more than 1,700 people in the country.
Kazakhstani Health Department and other agencies are conducting comparative research and have not defined the nature of the pneumonia virus.
The health authorities had earlier reported new cases of unidentified pneumonia since mid-June across the country. However, Kazakhstan Health Ministry admitted the presence of viral pneumonia of unspecified etiology but refused to state whether the outbreak was new or unknown. The number of pneumonia cases in Nur Sultan has been doubled in June when compared to previous year.